guys, welcome back to Lining's Perspective. It's your host, Lining K. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I decided I'm just going to do a vlog because like I just need a break from podcasts right now. Today I'm getting ready to go to the Miami Heat Arena to go get some awards for like the dunk league that I was in. And so I'm getting ready for that. And then we're going to watch the Miami game. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to charge the camera. I just realized I should have just recorded all weekend because like this weekend was fun. I did like a lot. We just finished the award thing and I was late, so I didn't like get my award and stuff. We just ordered food. Yeah, so we got drinks and these drinks are $6 per drink. All right guys, so the food came. This is the food. All right guys, so we're gonna go meet the players. So I'm gonna show y'all like everything that we do. Do you guys want to say hi to YouTube? Say hi. No, I'm not. Everybody in Miami, all the rappers, all the performers. This is being like, born and raised here. And Steve knows me since I was 19. I do.
Just watch your step here. Very simple.
Yes, it's 4,000 by myself. I think we're too fat. Oh no. I think we exceeded the weight capacity. Okay, we're unstuck. Okay guys, so we're like in front of the players watching them practice and we got these hats that say Miami Heat Arena and then they gave us these books and I got mine signed. I think his name is Marvin something. I don't know what he said. Caleb Martin. And I did not hear what he said. Okay guys, we went on the court. We took some pictures, so I'm gonna put them in the video. Get ready.
Yeah, that was your auntie first job here.
Really?
She went on break on her first day.
And then never came back. Yeah, you say that all the time.
Yeah, it was this job.
The game is done. Well, it's not done. We just left early because it was a blowout. Of course, Miami won. We left and it was like 86 maybe to 40. Hey guys, it is another day. Today we are at my travel team's tournament. We're gonna help them out. I'm gonna do the clock and my mom's doing concession stand. No single mother discounts today, okay? Wait, are you gonna be like those ladies who are hard to give you a discount? Are you gonna be giving discounts? But yeah, I'm gonna be doing the clock right there. Y'all see that? Yep, that's me. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm sitting. There's like training going on right now, little boys and stuff. But I'm in the middle school gym. There's a high school gym. I was supposed to be in the high school gym, but things happen. So this is so cool. It actually, I learned how to do the clock on the high school gym, so it's literally like the same thing. This is the horn. If I wanted to be annoying, I could just like press it. Training and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, and
Hey, Riley.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just finished my game, y'all. Oh my gosh, what happened to my ponytail? I just finished my first game of the day. We have 4 games today, y'all, because we were supposed to have 2 today. I'm at 2 tomorrow. I'll fix it later. We were supposed to have 2 tomorrow, 2 yesterday and 2 today, but something happened with the schedule and they just did all the boys games yesterday and all the girls games today for my team. Going to the middle school gym right now to help out with the shot clock and stuff. If y'all don't know, I am 14 years old playing with 16U, so you know. And I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't really play that good today, but it's okay because, well, this game I'm gonna play good today. Okay guys, I'm going back because the middle school gym isn't even open today. They have all the games going on in high school today, so I'm walking back now. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, all the doors are locked, so I have to go through the front entrance.